Hello students, welcome back to studies. Let's start solving the problems. So if m is equal to 2, find the value of m minus 2. So we need to find out the value of m minus 2. Substituting m is equal to 2. So wherever there is m, you will write 2. So 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. If m is equal to 2, find the value of 3m minus 5. So wherever there is m, you need to substitute the value m is equal to 2. So this is 3 into 2 minus 5. So 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of 9 minus 5m. So that's equal to 9 minus 5 into m is 2. So 9 minus 5 2s are 10. So that's equal to, so we have plus 9 and minus 10, two different signs. If there are two different signs, put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 10, put its sign and minus. 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer is minus 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So 3 into what is m? 2, but here they have said m square. So 2 to the power 2 minus 2 into m is 2 minus 7. So 3 into 2 to the power 2 is nothing but 2 into 2. Okay, 2 square is 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4 minus 7. So 3 into 2 to the 4 minus 4 minus 7. 3 4s are 12 minus 4 minus 7. So plus 12 minus 4, different signs, put the bigger number sign and subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. And then you have minus 7. Two different signs, put the bigger number sign and subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 1. M is equal to 2. Find the value of 5m divided by 2 minus 4. So that's equal to 5 into m is 2 divided by 2 minus 4. So 5 into 2, 5 into 2 is 10 divided by 2 minus 4. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So you have 10 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 5s are, or 2 5s are 10. Division. So 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of 4p plus 7. So that's equal to 4 into p is minus 2 plus 7. That's equal to, if no sign is there, it means plus. So plus into minus is minus. 4 into 2 is 8 plus 7. So that's equal to, so minus 8 plus 7. Two different signs, put the bigger number sign and minus. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is minus 1. Now you need to keep in mind when it comes to addition and subtraction, the rules are when you have same signs, put the same sign and then you add. When the signs are same, okay, put the same sign and then add the figures. If the signs are different, so if it is plus and minus, then you have to put the bigger number sign. Okay, whatever the sign is, the sign should be of the bigger number. Sign is of the bigger number. And then what you have to do? You have to subtract. That will be the answer. Same is the case in case if you have minus and plus. You have to put the bigger number sign of the bigger number, and then you need to subtract. That will be your answer. Now this rule is applicable for addition and subtraction. When it comes to multiplication, now the same thing is applicable for division as well. Okay, so plus into plus, same signs, it will be plus. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus will also be plus. If it is different sign, plus into minus, then it will be minus. Minus into plus will also be minus. In multiplication, if there are same signs, then you will write the plus sign. If it is different signs, then it will be minus. Same is the case in case of division as well. So in division, plus divided by plus will be equal to plus. Minus divided by minus will also be plus. Plus divided by minus will be minus, and minus divided by plus will be minus. So these are the rules. Okay. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So that's equal to minus 3 into p is minus 2. Value of p is minus 2 square plus 4 into p's value is minus 2 plus 7. So that's equal to minus 3 into minus 2 to the power 2 is minus 2 into minus 2. Now plus into minus is minus, 4 into 2 is 8 plus 7. So that's equal to minus 3 into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 8 plus 7. Minus into plus, so we are multiplying this. Minus into plus is minus, 3 into 4 is 3 fours are 12, minus 8 plus 7. Now this is equal to minus 12 minus 8. Same signs, put the same sign and add. So 12 plus 8 is 20, and then you have plus 7. Two different signs means put the bigger number sign and subtract. 20 minus 7 is 13. So the answer is minus 13. P is equal to minus 2. So we have minus 2 p to the power 3 minus 3 p to the power 2 plus 4p plus 7. So that's equal to minus 2 into value of p is minus 2. We have to the power 3, right? So to the power 3 minus 3 into value of p is minus 2. And here we have to the power 2 plus 4 into minus 2. We're talking about this plus 7. So this is equal to minus 2 into, now minus 2 to the power 3 is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the answer is minus 8. Minus 3 into, here it is, minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is, so here it is plus 4. And here you have 4 into minus 2, plus into minus, okay, we are talking about this plus into minus is minus, 4 into 2 is 8, and then we have plus 7. Let us further simplify this. Minus into minus is plus, 2 into 8 is 16. Minus into plus is minus, 3 into 4 is 12. And then you have minus 8 and plus 7. Now plus 16 minus 12. Two different signs. Put the bigger number sign and subtract. 16 minus 12 is 4. Then you have minus 8. Two different signs. Put the bigger number sign as minus. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then we have plus 7. Two different signs. Put the bigger number sign and subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is plus 3. Find the value of the following expressions when x is equal to minus 1. So 2x minus 7, that's equal to 2 into value of x is minus 1 minus 7. So that's equal to, if no sign, then it is plus. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 7. So minus 2, minus 7. Both same signs. Put the same sign and add. So you get minus 9. When x is equal to minus 1, find the value of the following expressions. Minus x plus 2. So that's equal to minus. There is already this sign. So we are putting this sign. What is the value of x? Minus 1 plus 2. Now minus into minus is plus 1 plus 2. So plus 1 plus 2. Two same signs. Put the same sign and add. So that's equal to plus 3. Here, when x is equal to minus 1, we need to find the value of x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, what is the value of x? We are taking only the x value. Then it is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into, what is the value of x? Minus 1 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 is minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer is plus 1. Now over here, plus into minus is minus, 2 ones are 2 plus 1. So that's equal to plus 1 minus 2. Two different signs. Put the bigger number sign and subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then we have this plus 1. Two different signs. Minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. So the answer is 0. x is equal to minus 1. So we need to find the value of 2x square minus x. If there is no number, then it is 1 minus 2. So that's equal to 2 into minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. So that's equal to 2 into what is minus 1 to the power 2? That's minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So this is plus 1, and over here minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1, and then minus 2. So this is equal to, so if there is no sign plus, right? So plus into plus is plus. 2 ones are 2. Plus 1 minus 2. So plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled, right? So the answer is plus 1. Or you can write it this way, plus 2 plus 1. Both signs same signs. So add 2 plus 1, 3. And then subtract minus 2. You get bigger number sign and subtract plus 1. That's all for now, students. Hope you all had a pleasant learning experience. See you all in our next video.